Guys, welcome to some more Gears of War 3, and today we're going to be doing chainsaw only. We're going to be Snarky Lumberjacks, me and my friend HD Epic. We're going to be Snarky Lumberjacks. We get shit spawn on this, and even if we find weapons, we can't pick them up. Well, we can, but we just can't use them, so we'll have to backpack it.
No, can't use them.
Yeah, but if we pick them up, we can just keep them in our thing, our paws. So, like, they can't use them. Oh, no! They're using retro! I just farted. I just farted. Go on, Big Rig. Go on, Big Rig. Oh, I did funny. Yeah, these guys are just stacked team.
Oh, it's that kill.
I'm gonna backpack everything I see. Snarky Lumberjacks! I'm gonna chuck a smoke in so be a Snarky Lumberjack.
Yes! I got one. Yeah.
Scratch one grub! Snarky Lumberjack! Oh, fuck. Fuck! You fucker! These guys are bastard childs. Yeah, guys, we're imitating the ex-advocate who's just a really famous Gears of War player. He calls himself a Snarky Lumberjack. Snarky Lumberjack!
Oh god.
We can all bounce with the chainsaw, you know. No, Snarky Lumberjack!
Oh yeah.
Snarky Lumberjack. Snarky Lumberjacks. Snarky Bumperback. Oh shit, no! No. Not Snarky. This is just malarkey. The game goes really shitty, like without us getting barely any kills, and I just got uploading because we've only got one kill. Everyone on our team's only got one kill.
Damn, I could have had him as well.
I thought you were playing as the Big Rig.
No.
Snarky Lumberjack!
What the hell? How have you managed to get on the job? Yeah.
Snarky Lumberjack.
Got it.
Bet you they'll get one of their players. No, the Snarky Savage Lockjaw is now chainsaw.
Wow. Someone ruined it. Wow.
Wow, surprisingly one of theirs.
I hate people that do that. Just ruin the chainsaw battle. How you managed to get in?
Double chainsaw, Snarky Lumberjack! No! Not Snarky! That's malarkey! I've got 4, you've got 1.
Come on, pump it up!
Oh, you just got double sword off.
Yeah, no, I thought he was reloading. That's why I revived him, otherwise I would have left him.
Revive me!
Rush me. I'm running. I don't want none of your BP. I'm not BP, that's not BP.
Oh my god. How's that not worked out?
Fuck!
I've only got 1 kill. You've got 5.
He's camping behind the wall.
Okay.
This is not going well for the Lumberjacks. Fucking bastard of ass.
Epically failing.
Bastard child. Oh, there's a figure here, but I can't snag it. Oh wait, I can snag it. I'm still throwing smokes because...
Oh my god!
Snarky Lumberjack!
You're going to die.
I don't care. Snarky Lumberjack!
How have you got that?
Snarky Lumberjack! Oh wow.
Oh my god, I've only just spawned.
Snarky Lumberjack!
I'm third, but I've only got 1 kill, and that sucks.
I've got 5 kills, 5 chainsaws, that's pretty good. For a chainsaw only, that's pretty good. Lumberjack.
Oh my god.
Snarky.
That's your
No,
kill.
no, that's Malarkey.
I meant to get the other guy. He was like right next to you, and it didn't work.
Not Snarky. That's Malarkey. Fucking bastard of ass. Oh, we've got a team now, so maybe this will go a bit better. And we've got the downstairs spawn. Maybe
But
that's...
I had your kill instead of.
Maybe we'll prevail in the land of Narnia.
I'll take that. I had your kill. Oh my god, Digger. Digger.
You could snag it, but you can't. Ouch, he's firing it from distance. Go from the side. Side saw.
Yeah, go in.
Revive me!
Yes! Yes!
Somehow I got gift, but I didn't even see him. 6 and 6. Well, I don't know what 6 and something. Nice.
Yeah! Yeah!
Kill for a kill. That's what. That's my motto for now. Kill for a kill. Snarky, no.
Oh!
Look at you, that guy.
And get him.
Lumberjacks. Snarky Lumberjack.
Oh, wow! God's sake. Oh, I can't get any kills. Like, hardly. So hard.
I got 3. I've got 7. You've got 3. I'm lucky. Oh, crud! That guy just got popped. He had a frag though. Maybe I can fart it. I'll go back. I got it. Where is he? That's very sneaky.
Yes.
Shit, yeah!
Lumberjack. Get in there.
Raptor, what's up? Well, you're on it. Fuck! He's... that is Narnia.
Revive me!
Raptor, you're already in a YouTube video, just to let you know now. Because you're in this one, because I'm recording right now, you know. I'm doing the chainsaw only. Oh, for fuck's sake. I ain't playing versus in private anymore. I'm going on Titanfall after this.
My nemesis.
Not very snarky. This is my life. I'm MVP of the team by chainsaw. Oh! Snarky Lumberjack! Goodbye. I've got caps.
I keep getting like ball killed all the time and fucking. Oh, they're here.
Snarky Lumberjack! Snarky! What? I chainsawed when you were chainsawing! Oh, get me up, no, get me up.
I got you.
I hope everyone goes chainsaw only. Wouldn't that be so sick? Everyone went chainsaw only.
Lumberjack. Yeah.
Then we'd actually have a fair fight.
How did you survive? That was me.
Because I went down and like... Snarky Lumberjack. Oh shit! That's another man been using sword if I'd have got that.
Got it.
So that's why you used to rage so much. Yeah, Dave, have you seen that video?
What?
The one of him raging. Me and Snarky.
keen to get away on a chainsaw. I'd like to get away and stay alive.
I've got no way to stay alive. All prevailing in the land of Narnia.
Oh my god.
It's fire in a couple minutes. Nothing special. Fuck! I can't be Narnia with this shit. You fucker. Here we go. Xavier with the 1v5 with the chainsaw montage. Do you have a brooch of regrade? Fuck out the hell. I've got 8 kills. You got 9. You got more than me. How'd that prevail on the land of Narnia? You're gonna die.
Oh wow. Fuck. Oh my god. Look at my nemesis as well. Oh, top barn.
Ow! That was a shit nade throw. That's all. What the actual fuck? How do you walk on the wall with that such accuracy?
Hey, I can't get away. Whenever I chainsaw.
I haven't got any kills in ages. This is not good. I want to kill to end the match. Oh shit! I changed your jaws. Oh no! How did you not die? There's one right behind you. Look out!
Nice.
We're not gonna get him. We're not gonna get him. We're not gonna get him. Wow, look at that. Spawn up top, spawn up top. Nah, fuck it. Would have been nice. This guy ain't moving, so. I prevailed!
Yeah.
Really? Oh wow! I can't get away from the fucking sword off! And no one was breaking, so. Oh, most headshot deaths, so guys, hello. Also got most revived player. Fucking hell, you got 11.
Fucking bitch, I hate you. Fuck off, Mario Long, you bitch.
Dave, should we do another chainsaw only?
I say we do. Well,
Right, we'll record another one then. Guys, this was part 1 of Snarky Lumberjacks, where we didn't prevail on the land of Ass against this shitty stack team. But we'll find another game and do another one. Blech. See you later, Snark Nation.